Hey, this will be a video chart on FLPC. We will be taking a look at the daily time frame. Not sure I've ever done this one before, but regardless, a lot of interest coming in on it and been getting some questions, so I want to get things updated here as we go into the weekend. Congratulations to those who noticed this initial volume surge right here. You can see big volume, not much price reaction, so a great example of how volume can be a great leading indicator, and then you can see the results from that point going forward. So today was more of a consolidation day, biggest volume, but that usually happens. Had a nice run up, but then profit takers started to step in, and that's what I would attribute it to. Sure, you'd want to see this green bar, but while I don't know this for a fact, my guess would be that you had all these people down here that were accumulating. I mean, so if you add up all these shares, that's a very nice gain for them. So I'm sure this was majority just people locking in profits. So with all that profit taking, still nice to see that it was able to bounce back from its low. And although it didn't close green, still a respectable day. Given once again, I'm sure you had all these people that were deciding to lock in profits, and it was Friday too. So you had day traders just wanting to get out by the end of the week. So given the circumstances, I would, although it wasn't green, still a respectable day. So what I want to do is map out some supports and resistance levels here. The first level of support is going to be right. Actually, that looks like it's still a level of resistance because it closes below it. So never mind on that one. We'll just disregard that one. I thought that was a support. This is what you get when you kind of do these live and don't necessarily look things over. But regardless, the key level of support, any way you slice it, is going to be this purple line. This is the 50-day simple moving average, and you can see right here, great example of the price approaching it, but then getting knocked down. The big difference this week, obviously, was the price was not able to get through it, but closed well above it. So 0.0063 is going to be that key level of support where ideally you're going to want to continue to see the price hold above it, because if the price does go down there, I'm not saying it will, but if it does, holds and then goes back up, this set of lows would be higher than this set, which is higher than where it ended up bottoming, and you can still draw an uptrend line, and that's the name of the game. You want to be in uptrends. In terms of resistance levels, first level of resistance that really sticks out to me is right here. You can see that 3 days in a row back here, the price went up and bounced right off of 0.0125. So this will be a level of resistance, 0.0125. And then after that, things start to thin out a little bit. You have these previous highs here, but not much history with it. So technically speaking, yes, these are resistance levels, but with a break, the price could really get moving. Case in point right here, the price has a potential to really get moving fast, but 0.0125 is definitely going to be the first level and key level right now to get some closes above. So I'm sure with some closes above that level, I'll be back to update the chart, but that's where it currently stands. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out the newsletter up there and sign up. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting, make an investment into your education and learn how to use it as a strategy, I'd encourage you to check out our educational course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was FLPC. Thanks for listening and have a good weekend.